it's an endless cycle. John literally wakes up, makes videos, repeat. No, something's wrong. Wakes up, makes videos, goes to sleep, repeat. Day after day after day. Wait, he sleeps? I hardly even have time to play Minecraft.
I really like making videos. That's kind of the full package. Hey Steven, actually, can I get on?
Not you again! Sometimes when he tries to kick us off the computer, we just tell him, hey, John, go outside, see if it's raining. Usually ends up in a big disaster, but hey, it's fun to watch. One time he invited the entire town to our house, and he said, look up at the sky and see if it's raining. It didn't rain. I haven't played Minecraft in so long. I mean, I have servers out there with admins that need me.
Okay, well, can you play some other time? I'm sure the admins will wait. I'm not kicking anyone off the computer. I'm just asking nicely, and they keep taking it as an insult.
Go see if it's raining.
See if it's raining?
See if it's raining.
Good idea. I need to get outside.
Just go see if it's raining.
You're right.
Is that rain?
It rained. I gotta tell Steven. It's hardly ever rained since the drought started.
Yeah, it's just like, I just like sent John out there to go see if it's raining. Yeah, I'm still on. Go see if it's I mean, we're in the middle of a drought. How could it be raining? Oh, hello, John!
Steven, it is raining out there.
It's a rainforest.
No, I mean, I know it's a rainforest, but I mean, we've been in a drought for so long.
It's a tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest literally means dry rain. Wait, what?
Cyril, it is raining right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go see it.
Awesome. Steven, come down here.
It hasn't rained in a really long time. I'm excited to finally see some water.
It was raining a while ago. At least it was an adventure.
I am so disappointed.
I'm so disappointed.
I'm going to tickle him until his belly melts between my feet.